Hi guys, this is Dr. Nita with Keys of Health. In this video, I will share with you a key of health that is often overlooked but ticks all the boxes when it comes to being a superfood, and that's barley. Yes, the humble grain barley. I really want to drive this point home before we move on that superfoods are not only exotic, rare, and super expensive foods found in specialty stores, they are all around us. Each region has their own special food that is ideal for the people living there. It is just a matter of being open minded, discovering it, and using it properly. In this video, I will share with you why you should use barley as your grain of choice. You can use barley as a grain and you can use it as barley grass. Stick with me till the end because I will share with you how to use it so it is most effective for your health. Now, going to our topic, barley is an ancient grain. It has been used for centuries and it is definitely underrated for the amount of health benefits it offers. I will try to share with you as many of its benefits as possible, but focus on a few in detail that will be most relevant to us in this time and day. Barley is nutrient rich and makes a satisfying meal. It is packed with fiber and essential minerals such as selenium, copper, tryptophan, and manganese. That is why it is a great breakfast grain. It gives you energy and keeps you feeling satisfied for a good part of the day. Manganese in barley helps you to feel happy and energetic. It also calms your nervous system. I will talk about that in detail in just a few minutes. As I mentioned, barley makes a satisfying meal. It is low in calories and keeps you feeling full. That is why barley is a good weight loss grain. It helps to reduce weight, partially because of several kinds of essential amino acids and partially because of its fiber content. Barley modulates your blood sugar levels, thus avoiding the sugar peaks and drops usually associated with the fat storage process. Regular use of barley also helps in reducing and regulating blood pressure, so it's great for those who are struggling with blood pressure issues. Barley helps reduce free radicals and fat content in the body and stabilizes the blood pressure, which reduces risks for cancer and heart diseases. A Japanese study followed about 44 men with high cholesterol and found that adding barley to their diet significantly reduced serum cholesterol and fat content. Now, listen up. Barley is a copper rich food, which means it helps in reducing the symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis. Copper in barley disarms free radicals and helps with cell regeneration. Copper is essential in cross linking collagen and elasticin, making bones and joints flexible. People whose copper levels are low also tend to lose hair, so barley helps with that as well. Not only does it prevent hair loss, it promotes hair growth, and get this, it helps restore natural hair color. So if you're experiencing premature graying, this grain should be a regular part of your diet. And we can't talk about hair without talking about skin. The antioxidants in barley help keep our skin looking younger. Barley helps to eliminate toxins from the body, which makes the skin silky and pleasantly toned. Barley and barley grass contain phosphorus and copper, which are good for the overall health of bones. And here is an interesting fact. Did you know barley grass juice is much higher in calcium than milk? It is definitely a better alternative to commercial milk, and you can grow barley grass at home. There are many other benefits of barley. The iron contained in barley increases the blood volume, which prevents anemia and fatigue. If you consume barley on a regular basis, it helps increase energy levels, so it is also good for those suffering from severe fatigue, fibromyalgia, and those who generally tire quickly. Barley contains selenium as well, which is a great immune builder. It has antioxidant properties. It helps repair damaged cells in the body. And it also helps reduce the risk of colon cancer and is also great for thyroid health. That is enough reason for you to start incorporating this grain in your diet regularly. Research has shown it to offer protection against breast cancer as well. So, from cleaning out your colon to providing essential micronutrients, barley can help you reach optimal wellness. Barley offers many more health benefits, but I want to focus on a very specific aspect now, and that is barley's ability to help reduce anxiety and depression symptoms. You can call it a feel good grain. And not addictive wheat kind of goodness, it actually helps you get better and feel better. Barley is great for gut microbiome. In one of my videos, I have discussed in detail the connection between healthy gut microbiome and mental health. Please make sure to check it out. I will link it here. The reason barley is so helpful in fighting anxiety and depression is because of what it contains and how these nutrients affect our body. Barley contains vitamin B1 or thiamine, which facilitates the synthesis of neurotransmitters that help regulate our mood. It also promotes the healthy functioning of the nervous system and protects it from decline. Barley is also a great source of vitamin B5. This vitamin helps support the body's response to anxiety and panic because it helps produce hormones that deal with stress during psychological difficulties, such as anxiety, depression, and emotional turmoil, as well as during chronic fatigue and strain brought about by quitting smoking. So, if you are trying to quit smoking or have just quit smoking, incorporating barley can help you along the process. It is also rich in vitamin B2 that is important in the treatment of anxiety because it helps convert other B vitamins to useful forms so that they can do their work. Barley is one of the best vegetable source of vitamin B6, which helps with the production of neurotransmitter GABA. Neurons in the brain need this biochemical to produce calmness when a person feels stress and anxiety. Barley is high in folic acid that is needed in the synthesis of serotonin, which is a neurotransmitter again that directly contributes to mood in a positive way. It also contains biotin and magnesium, which are very beneficial during anxiety-related headaches, and panic attacks. I hope I have convinced you that barley should be your grain and drink of choice. You can take the grain as porridge, add it to your stews, soups, or even substitute it for wheat in bread and pancakes. You should also consider taking barley grass juice regularly. You can grow it at home or buy young barley grass juice powder. You can add it to water or juices and take it once or twice a day. You can also make a drink out of barley grains. It is a bit of a long process, but very easy. I make a large batch and it lasts me 4 to 5 days in the refrigerator. All you need to do is wash the grains thoroughly and soak them in generous amount of water for 6 to 7 hours. I usually soak them overnight and prepare the drink in the morning. Once the grains have been soaked and have softened throughout the water, boil the grains in fresh water for up to an hour while covered. I usually take half cup of barley grains and boil them in 4 cups of water. Once the grains are boiled for about an hour, shut the stove and let it cool. The water will appear cloudy and will have an earthly smell. You can drink this water as is or add some honey or molasses for flavor. I prefer it as is. You can add cooked barley to any of your meals so it doesn't go to waste. It is very simple and easy to incorporate in your diet. And once you experience its benefits, you will never stop. I hope you found this video helpful. Take good care of yourself and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions or concerns. I'm also available for consultations. I offer free consultations every month. Please follow me on Instagram and Facebook so you know when they are available. Thank you and goodbye.